Hey guys, take a share with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to share about 5 tips with you guys to locate your phone if your phone is missing or you can't find it. Now, these methods should hopefully help you locate and find your iPhone if you're missing or any Apple device that you might have. So let's get started. The first thing, whenever you're missing your iPhone, I recommend is going ahead and calling it from another device. So if you have a family or friend, or if you have another phone line, just simply go ahead and call yourself. Generally, you should be able to find it if it's within proximity of your region that you're in, if it has the ringer on or the vibration turned on. So go ahead and give yourself a call. Now, the next thing you can do is if you have an Apple Watch or using an Apple Watch and you've paired it with your iPhone as well, you have this option to actually ping your iPhone using your Apple Watch. And to do that, it's really straightforward. All you do is go right here to the main face here that you have, and you're going to pull up to get to the control center just like that, similar to like you would for your iPhone. And you see right there next to the Wi-Fi icon is that phone symbol, and if you click on that, as you can see, it plays pretty much a ping noise for your iPhone to locate it. So as you can see, you can keep on doing that till you find your phone. If it's somewhere close by, you should be able to find it there. Now, the other thing you want to do, if you can't find it, now it's time to move on to the next thing, which is actually going into your Find My. So going to your Find My, there's a couple ways to do it here. If you have another Apple device, you can use the Find My app, which is a default app on your phone. So what you're going to do is go ahead and open up Find My. And to open up a Find My, you should be able to go ahead and check your devices. You click on it, it'll give you the location of your devices. If you have Find My iPhone on, even if it's not on, or if it's dead, it will usually give you the last location. You can pretty much go ahead and track it from it there. Now, if you're using Find My, you want to make sure that you're signed in to the same account that your device was signed in. So if you're using maybe a friend's or family iPhone, you can actually take their phone, sign into your iCloud on their Find My, and then locate your device that way as well. Or the other way you can do is you can actually go to a browser, or if you have a computer, right, you can go to the browser and go to iCloud.com. So you go to iCloud.com and then log in with your iCloud information. So you're going to sign in, right? Put in your Apple ID and password. So we're going to put in our Apple ID and password. New here with my passcode because it's already signed in, but you can do it from your computer, just iCloud.com as Apple services, and it'll give you Find My service as well there. So you'll go click on that. It's going to load. And then once it does that, all you'll do is look for the app Find My. It'll be available for you there. All you'll do is, again, same thing, click on it, and it will. Other thing you can do is if you have or using Google services and Google location, you can actually use the Google Maps app. So you'll want to go ahead and see if you have that app, or if you go online to google.com and log into your phone or your email that you use for your Google account, you'll go ahead and open up Maps there. Once your timeline, and then as you can see here, it's going to give you your timeline if you have location services on of all the places that you have been, which again is really helpful if you're trying to figure out, some of the last location you have been and all the other services aren't working for you. So hopefully by doing all these, you can find your phone. And if so, please make sure to like and subscribe. But also, if you found a better way to find or locate your iPhone, leave it in the comment section for everyone as well to kind of share. So thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.